Here's a new 2019 Cadillac XT5. Attractive and accommodating, treat yourself to a vehicle that does more for you. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and automatic transmission. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.